What's up, speak my mind people? Cross, angry, and miserable. I put on my G-string. Brand new G-string, you know. Yeah, cause we not come muggle with old clothes and old sitting. Brand new G-string buy from about September last year. When you buy them a G-string, you buy them by the dozen. Put it on my head. Yeah, I feel like I want to talk and I'm a G-string. Yeah. What I go and speak my mind, people? Me there, you know. Cross, angry and miserable. If a war you know want make it start, if somebody not pop off, so if a war you know want make it start, people, welcome. I want to hear me out keenly. Me did write down some times and some things to dissect until Donna video. But me not go through that, it's going to take up too much of my time. And I want me around that video for 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 10 hour, 5 hour. It's just all about me a talk. One little part me might dissect for one little video. Yeah. Land dog. Will wake me up out of my bed 17 minutes to 4. Like me and your companion. Me and your friend. Me and your size. You understand? People who might ask how she get my number. When me just build my channel and I set up my channel, I have a private number. And my brethren, you know, YouTuber brethren, they carry me along the way. Said to me, say, put up one contact number. So I say, alright, I go put up none of my other 2 regular numbers. I go put up one private one. The G-string just a drop off, so big me stretch out. I put up one private number where I have. That number I only use it on WhatsApp. And because I start using it on WhatsApp, as most people have the number. So when the phone they ring me, they to look on it or answer. Because that phone they a pleasure phone. That's the pleasure phone. See my business phone here, one banger. This is my business phone. Banger. When this ring, I have to look. I hear the phone ring this morning. When I look, 17 minutes to 4. I say, who the fuck calling me this hours? It ring, me no answer. It ring again, me no answer. When it ring the 3rd time, me get up and me look and me see say it's not somebody in my contact. Because you don't know if somebody in your contact, the name I go come up. Me I say, whether I to this now, or what kind of emergency this somebody in and no one don't have credit for calling me. So I go and answer the phone. When I answer the phone, I could have stay. I yonder and know say a land dog call me. Because since I did so you want to take it. You understand? Make you take it this so. Because me come in a phone. When me come in a phone and come know you. I see me a browse and see one video where you have some tenant in your yard where you rent and must light bill and water rate and one bag of sitting. And the whole heap of bad word and rare when you go around one yard around there. So all them the file them have, you know. But as I say, most of your deeds you talk out. So me no need to go in you. Your deeds. You go around the yard you normally go around, go sit down and drink, or you go what day where you say a long time you know go there. So from them time there, me browse and see. And I never ever think of disrespecting you because of your way you portray yourself, and because that's you. And this is what me always I say. Me always like people be themselves. Don't know say you is this type of person and come around and pretend like you're somebody else. Because when it shows up say you're not that type of person, it's not gonna look good. So me always love people for who them make them say, who them is and make themselves is. Never try to disrespect you. Me see you and Shanti in an argument whatsoever. Where it come from the one before the one near me in a phone. Me just come and me speak and we miss it presently. No boy or no girl over here so. No have no secret for me. Nobody when me know personally no have no secret for me. You understand? Because as me say, the little word me might have school children in England know, and me make sure first put it on the light post top. Where every day nightingale, picture, all kind of hawk and bird go look on it up there so everybody know. And what it's all about. Just, from 11-year-old, I'm being independent. Me no beg no boy or girl nothing. No only in a phone. We have on a platform. Never ever give me a highlight when my channel is to grow. I'm subscribed to so much of from day one before me even have channel. And when me reach out to some, when me reach out to everybody, but when me reach out to some, I know them not turn the black of them eye and look for me. But when me go in them comment about them job or whatsoever, them answer. So you can't see that, but you can't see me. I reach out now. I ask if I like, make a little highlight now. You understand? None of that me no get. One little youth can have a lifestyle and from what you have to post him, but I through my community kind of busy from what you and I want to post him whenever time my community free up. That little youth, not as big as many of you, can have a lifestyle and fishing adventure. I the only youth in a phone give me a highlight. Me might never gain much from it, but me give thanks. The effort counts. You understand? So, none only can put no muzzle on my mouth. None only can put no leash on my neck. I find something there. Because I never know, say. No can put nothing around my neck and tie me against no way, so. And put me down and say, sit boo-boo. Or get up boo-boo. Or go there, so. No. Not even 99 herself can't tell me what to do. Your platform or your platform, my platform or my platform. So when you come and wake me put on my bed after 3, for showing how no hungry for social media, for showing how no hungry for content. If you even see the video, wait till daylight out. And what kind of content you run down so that you wake me out of my bed 2:45. I know England, me live and you live in Jamaica where you can say, alright, him wake up by now. You understand? Alright, put that aside. People, before I hype my temper, I want to listen to this. This is Princess Bashur on Donna Live. You understand? Donna look like she just come from gym, she in at the hotel. Donna upon her live, cause she said me not do no research. And if you do research before, so me never know say everything where she come on her platform with. Land dog, everything where you come on your platform with, you call people and find out what is what then. So you are one of them who are going to people inbox and call people to find out things. And then you come on your platform say that other people are do. Because if you are going to tell me, say, me if you call people, when me I call you for me, I obligated to you. Me a big man for you and look at me how me young. And me a big man for you, look for me. Me house no haunted, me sleep till any hours a night, any hours a day. Half an hour ago, me wake up. And probably if I never the ego when me enough to come out, come do this video, me not come out of my bed till the next 3 hours and look at the time now. What time it is now? 3:21. You understand? My house not haunted. For me miserable. And come at people for nothing at all. Nothing at all you come at people for. You make dunce look dunce bad. You make all like me with dunce look dunce bad. Because you can't comprehend. You can't just, you don't need no PhD or nothing, CXC or no C-Sec or nothing, no diploma to understand certain things when people talk it. But because you so illiterate and haunted, you just feel like say, as me say, in the comment section, what there, from the comment in the comment section, I don't watch back a live for you. Because me I said, Jano, you're son of me for there. Because me good at, watch it. I've been in your comment section about 2 weeks ago. And this is me. If me see you do something good and me can comment, me comment. If me see say, you're touchy, your skin thin, me not go in your comment section. And if me go in there because I want to compliment you upon something what you do, I go and weary of what I said. And if when me feel like me I go type, I go come across to you anyway, I not type. The lady simply distinguish the difference between a brand, you understand, and like a company. You understand? A brand Ganzi and some entity. You understand the difference between it? Like, as me say, a school uniform, yes, you buy the school uniform, but it come with rules and regulation. Me have on this Ganzi, you see it here? True Love International. Me go to the road and do what me want to do. The owner of the True Love International can't do nothing to me. I am not a selector, I am not a box boy, I am not nothing to True Love International. I just know the owner, and in a sound clash, I was just a supporter of him. And I get one of the official Ganzi, because this is the regular Ganzi. This is an official Ganzi. The other Ganzi was some like a cheap Ganzi. Me go out there and do what me I do. And this is what the woman did I try to say to you. And you go on the most way and disrespect the woman. And this is what with you. If somebody come in there, you comment and say, landlord, your head big. Or landlord, your head not big for nothing. But guess what? One thing though, you're sensible. You know, stop to read the comment. Get the understanding of the comment of what the person has said and get the whole drift. From you say landlord, your head big like, how you? Admin, Blackhearted, take off that one ya. Moderator, take off that one ya. My head not big like you. And you go on your most way. And then if somebody come back to the comment now and say, no, she never mean nothing. Landlord, look upon it, she and say, your head not big for nothing because you go back and you count the words them and you alright, I'm sorry. And this is what me I say, you need to take time out, read the comment, get the understanding of the comment before you come at people. Stop using ignorance here and your illiterate self and comes out against people for nothing at all. Assume when you're not going to be a scientist because you know everything will happen in our life. And you know everything will happen behind the scene. But when other people know it, it's a problem to you. Just like how you stay at Jamaica and you can tell say Auntie Donna and Princess set up what go on. People, listen. As I said, see there, this is Princess Donna live. Me I go show it from day one, but take up too much time. I want deal. We don't want to deal with that stuff.
I've extended the early bird ticket. So get on there, grab your early bird ticket. It's still there.
You want to listen to our name if you call, you know. Donna have nothing to do with this. And Princess call her name have nothing to do with it. The only thing is, and this is why me I say, if anything, a princess, this woman you have to blame, not Donna, because this man when she call me, tell me say she never tell nobody nothing at all. So princess I go come on phone, come say yes, you get your visa. And when Donna asks her, true, she get it for true, she tell you, and you go say yes. That means you are the one supposed to be blamed, not Donna. Because Donna asks you for true, Donna go as far as ask you if she go public with it yet, and whatsoever may you get her in a trouble because you come pan the life. I said that. You ever said Donna no mean nobody no good. One more this woman have to do for proof say she need people good. But this is on a head dark, on illiterate. And this on a show say the every art want to carry on of the people, but then when you see them on a smile up with them and pretend. If my heart ever again see I come down the road, I turn back to my yard, or I walk somewhere else, or I try to do something to occupy my time, just so you call to me, because I don't want you call to me. I now come skin my teeth with you, and me is not with you.
At the first place, I'm going to keep it, but you keep it there. No, it's at the banquet hall, it's not at the hotel.
People have a G-string, me have on, you know. Yeah.
No, not that one. Because, you know,
but anybody used to take off my G-string. When me at the road.
Nice, elegant banquet hall.
When me at the road, we build my place, and anybody used to take off the G-string.
It's going to be nice.
Me never did a run wild.
It's just going to be beautiful. We have fashion show going. And guys, some people think that when you buy your ticket, it's just to come to the award show. No, it involves a meet and greet, red carpet, dinner, entertainments and stuff. You're going to see people like Latoya Mullins. You're going to see Mel C, Jimmy Reed, Tony Anthony. So there's so many. And the list is just, and not to mention all your social media celebrity. You don't want to miss them. Chris and Kazim, vanilla and chocolate. Erica, guys, do you know say Erica get her things? She get her
visa?
Yeah, she get her visa.
So quick, it come too quick, alive.
Yeah, man.
Lord God, Erica, big up your... What you say?
Yeah.
You hear? The woman explain and promote the award. So she promote her award, calling out the celebrities where you have to come see. Basically, she are trying to tell you, when you buy your ticket for $200 or $160, it's not all about just come see the awardees. You have the red carpet to walk, you have the dinner banquet, you have the entertainment, and she start telling about the social media personality them where you have to come meet. Basically, to my knowledge, landlord are one of the person them we should use this year to promote, to pull patrons. Despite there's a lot of people might not like her or whatsoever, you have people who don't like her but might like her little personality which she have at times. And you have people who turn out. So Princess, I use she as one of these posters person. That's what me see. To pull the patrons. So she didn't have to call her name. But when me say, if landlord never tell her about no visa, as well she landlord, I say because them say 2 sides or 3 sides to a story. How she I will come up and say, yes, Eric, and she get her things. Wait, say she get her things? Yes. Yes, she get her visa. You sure? I lie. Oh, Donna involved in that. Upon the live, she did talk all of this, you know. Princess, you know. Because she promote her show. So she is the one who have to hold responsible for fake and false news and spreading rumors to promote her show. You don't come out against the person who have the live on, because the person did call her before to come promote her show, and that's the way she used the show to promote herself.
She can't get her visa. So Erica will be here.
Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Let me ask Erica. Erica number.
Yeah, man.
Where you say?
Yeah, man. So on the
So you ask her, she say yes. But it's still, she said she never tell Princess nothing.
Never hear that.
So as a Princess, to come on live and tell people,
me call the
yes, she get her
landlord.
things.
Yeah, I told Blanca shop. So nobody not tell me.
Yeah, man. She talk on it on her live.
People, I want to stop the video. I want to just get back to one little part. Oh, Miss Princess get to come in. My people, that's why I'm telling you, I don't want a friend from none of them in a phone. Because them art coming like a phone. The color of the phone. I saw them art still. And them laugh and smile with you. Because, as I always say, you can't be friend or associate with somebody or line with somebody or whatsoever. And one little thing happen, you come out and say so much things and flush yourself. That's in your heart every long time against the woman from day one. Despite when something happen, you will come out and say ray. But all of these things where you say and derogative things where you talk about, where people, I never know nothing about all where she talk about Nakilet and Donna and whatsoever, and this and all that. I never know nothing. Because from I come off of the live day, as me say, when the woman text in and make the differentiation of the brand and XYZ, I don't watch back a live for Erica. I don't watch back a video for Erica. And I do the video either the same day down in the evening or the following morning I do the video. And as I always say, I have 3-4 videos sometimes when content around. I have them in my phone, just upload them in my phone. That me can get space, because for you upload them, you can delete them. You understand? So you get space in your phone for do what you do. So this video, when we release with Shia and Shanti, it's all about, from us the following day, as me say, I do this video. This woman never come tell lie on me now. And say, me, before I go to say, I can finish with that. So. People sit there, Auntie on her phone and talk about a discussion that she had on a live the night before, and some family will tragically lose them. You understand? Coming from netball match. Not no more than Auntie get boring at the phone now, because when you look on her, because people, me tell you not this truth. What ask me what this is, I'm a G-string where them say I have. Me don't even know Portland. So I'm sure you never take off none of this in a year days off of me. And you talk about Big Jill. You never, me don't know Portland, me never come to Portland yet. So me don't know how you know me have Big Jill or who you send come. You understand? When me watch it live, Auntie Donna all and concern, and this lady can't stay at Jamaica and say, if you look, watch your life, I plan them plan, watch your life. People, I'm not going to show you the life. You can go, the life label good morning from the gym. I watch your life from start to the finish after this woman wake me up. And me hang up. From start to finish, because I say I have to go find the life, because I want to see. Because she had the night. Like, she put the blame solely and surely upon Donna, so Donna ball out her business. And a princess there on the live and ball out her business. Donna was just questioning. Achoo, she get it? Eh, oh, you know, she tell you? And princess admits that she tell her. Someone who a lie. You understand? And there is no time. Me see where, when Donna talk about, me that pre she talk about more than me just watch your facial expression, because she said I set up, you know. So as an investigator, you have to watch your facial expression, body language, eye movements and them things there. So you will know if, yeah, something there behind something. And there was no evidence of that. I want to listen.
You should turn on your tablet. Me the type of person where we can struck a conversation.
I'm bored, Donna get boring, you know. Make she end up call princess now, you know. Bored, she get bored of the life. So she call princess to come promote her thing. Listen.
Miss Princess? I give Miss Princess an opportunity to advertise her concert. Miss Princess? Now you're a word where I go on.
2 times that she call Miss Princess. Miss Princess not here because Princess dep on her phone and she a little distant away. But she don't in her phone. Alright.
Auntie Donna, how is Miss Richie? She doing good enough. I talk to her here before yesterday. Ask me when me I come if me I bring sweet more. Miss, you know? Princess, contact the boy award.
She just acknowledged that Donna call her. Just like what Donna would do at all times to anybody. Give them the platform to come advertise. Once she then near them, to come tell the crowd about them, whatsoever they might be.
When I think that to buy a bottle of water down here, I have a whole heap of water.
Mulanda, if you want, you want to make it start. I don't ever want an argument with you, you know.
You know, if I find your way?
Yeah, trust me.
Am I upstairs?
People are going to play Miss Princess one more time.
Meet and greet, the red carpet, dinner, entertainments and stuff. You're going to see people like Latoya Mullins. You're going to see Mel C, Jimmy Reed, Tony Anthony. So there's so many. And the list is just, and not to mention all your social media celebrity. You don't want to miss them. Chris and Kazim, Vanilla and Chocolate. Erica, guys, do you know that Erica get her things? She get her
visa?
Yeah, she get her visa.
So quick, it come too quick, I like.
Yeah, man.
Lord God, Erica, big up your... What you say?
Yes,
She
Erica get her visa.
How the
So Erica will be here.
Hold on there.
Yeah, man.
Let me ask Erica. Me ask Erica number.
Yeah, man.
What you say?
Yeah, man. So
She get her visa. Yeah, man, she get it. Yeah, man, she get it. So Donna asked her more than one time, and she said yes, she get it. So how you come beat down Donna now? And say Donna do wrong on a plan thing, and all discipline. What in a discipline? But what? You know, low mind, you know, have on thinking, you know, have on one not deal, you know, doing what you might do with other people, you know, feel like say people are planning things against you know. All when things are legitimate, you know, think. You know them what the word them call it? You know, paranoid. Yeah, man, on a paranoid, man. Because when I think about people are doing, and when at the back of the head, when I think and do people, I try to mellow on so much people, you know, always, like, figure more or less the people are plan against, you know. You understand? What Donna do you so? Nothing at all more than call woman to promote her award. The woman have you as one of her posters person. So whether you get visa or not, the woman come tell lie then. Because you the nice the woman not telling nothing. Alright. Get this part out of the way now. Down to the business part, the war part. You dirty land dog. We are going to come talk about G-string. In your days when you're there at Portland and sell your crutches, you never buck me up. Me don't know Portland. In the days when you're there at Portland and sell your crutches, me never one of the man that me come buy none from you. And when I go, so when you expect to take off an underpants or a brief, is a G-string you take off. So, oh, you know me have a G-string. Oh, you know, say, me have big Jill and half Jill. Because if me I look woman, based on your features now, if me I look woman, in a them the time they will call you never prettier. Me more feel like you grow prettier now. Because people don't really grow ugly. Based on what me know, people more grow pretty. You understand? So you never did tannable. Back in a them the time they for me even look upon you for you know me have a G-string. Dirty landlord. Come now. You're ready for the war. Because what me realize, you know, you're short of content, you know. Because you notice in the past 2 weeks you just play people content on your phone. So it's like you pick with everybody now so you can gain content. Because basically, your court case where you have a come up, you need cash. So you need to hype up and step up your YouTube views and stuff. So this is like a strategy probably for you go around and pick for foolishness, for nothing at all, for you can get content, for get views, because you don't know, say, this is how the people them like. Dirty Erica, nasty land dog Erica, me can't be your panty shield. Because panty shield can't help you, because all the days where you come on phone, come talk about and where you go through in a life back then, from the 80s come right up, panty shield can't help you. You need a whole sheet of zinc to help you. Panty shield can't help you. And if me was evil, even say me a panty shield, that's what you say. Me only be your panty shield. Would have be more some GLCU. You understand? Me only be your panty shield. Would have be GLCU. Cause that all not strong enough. A J's you want under you, not panty shield. So when you come talk and figure more or less you can bumble clad cuss bad old more than me. Where the fuck do you, man? Don't join me up, me no come on social media for this, you know. So you don't want to get the bumble clad wrong side of me because you feel like you're a bullbuck and dopey conqueror. You can't conquer me. Because I'm not afraid of no boy and no girl. No boy and no girl can't muzzle this. That's why I start be independent from 11 years old, so I can't be no follower. I will always be a leader. Not even my mother can lead me and tell me to do something when me see is not right in my sight. Or something where me can compromise and say, alright, I don't really like it, you know, but she like it, alright, but we can't work with it now, we'll take nothing off of it. No boy or no girl can lead me. Me lead myself, means not a follower, means a leader. So you can't bumble clad, pussy clad, come in a phone, come go on like you can style me. I mean what this you want because of content you are searcher, because you have been playing people live for one, you play all 5 live for the day and you catch up your phone against your picture frame and you play it for the whole day and you just walk up and down and chat, yes, blah, 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 blah. You now sit down and find no content, land dog. So probably your court money where you want to give a lawyer if you defend yourself. This is the way where you probably see a way or forget it. Or this is the way where you use to try to take the people their money where them send come, whether them a planker, whether them a royalty, whether them a this, whether them a that are your platform people then. Probably the money where the people them send come for you go to Canada, you are look on it and say, Lord God, this is too much. When I got Canada with this money, Lord, that's so much money. Me can't go Canada with so much money. I'm mad to do what? For one hour, then we could have take this to something else. So you comes out now in a phone of being boisterous, being rude, being dirty and naughty to the same set of people then. We are going to give you the award. The same set of people then will associate with what them one another. Because you have seen it played out last year, or what the year before or last year, with Anna. So you tell yourself, if you comes out like that, them are going to take you off of the award. So all of them your money, you don't get them already. I don't know if it's possible for the people them to take back their money based on how them send it. But if People can't take back their money probably. It's just a little handful. So if you go to have 2 handful of money, 300,000, 200,000, and you have to give back 200,000, you still got with 300,000. So you have your lawyer fee. Why do you make here? Because you love dig up, you know. You come and you say you have how much bag of chicken and how much this already, and you want a little this. Not even 2 weeks ago. Not even 2 weeks ago. Not even if you cook for the whole Portland. Them the chicken they can't done. But me here you come on your platform. You want $400 to buy chicken. $400 call it at 43 for one. Check that, my people. Just under 60,000 or over, just over 60,000. After you have so much chicken, where you come and say you have from what if how much money you get. So probably this is a way where you look for get your lawyer money. So you come and try bite at the bit at everybody. But at the wrong somebody this land dog. Land dog. At the wrong somebody this. Let me tell you something. You talk about research. And people for research. And you figure do your research. Because me here, you talk about me they are foreign and I know me just want to come in on social media and this. Me no they are not foreign landlord. And me same speak my mind and come ball out Sophia Dunkley business. And when me ball out Sophia Dunkley business, you and Sophia Dunkley you know pass a long time. And you never come out with nothing what you say about Sophia Dunkley now. Until me speak my mind come out. And do what me do and show the house and whatsoever. So you never know nothing about Sophia Dunkley. You just run it with me say. You understand what me I say to you? And make up what you want to make up and put on it. Did you go do your research? Did you call my phone and say, what you say about Sophia Dunkley true? Oh, it go, I saw it go for true? Alright, you never call my phone. You run by your platform and do what you do because of content. And she's going in at you, so you want gun back at her. You understand what I say to you? You never pick up your phone and call nobody. Everybody where you come out against on phone, you take up your phone and call nobody. So you're one of them, you take up your phone and call people and rare then. Me no need to do that. On my platform, I do what I feel like do. If I discuss with it, I discuss with it. If I come on my platform, I say something where is not right or not correct or I make a mistake, I'm man enough. If I find out to come back and apologize. But I have said nothing wrong in this video, land dog, for you come out. And this is how you stay. You just come out from people for nothing at all. And you're going to end up finding yourself in the wilderness because of your poor judgment. Because of your poor literacy. You understand? And people can dance, but you don't need no PhD, CXC, no diploma for know certain things. You say you're in the street long time. Before me older than you can't in the street before me. And when you say you know do no research as me say you know, because you come and tell the people them say me they are foreign. Me they have no passport. If you did do research you don't know that. Because all of my video them me come and me ball out say me no passport and me no want go no foreign because me now have this a big king size. I look on it. Because me I don't one of the person them where you can't come tell say where you can't come tell say look on my bed. Hey. Look on my bed. $500,000. Just over $500,000. And on an all-time day something. Let me tell you something. A modern day something this. This is not where the board them a change color because it gone over a certain period of year. This is a modern day something. And my queen size set when I have before this, where they are the next yard, a modern day something. It's only that them you know a more modern days because them queen size set there make about 18 years ago, which is about 6 times 18 years your things they make. And look upon them ya, and no fuckery about them ya. Look upon them. Look upon the artwork to the artwork when me hear you come and boast about in a phone. Land dog, you can't bring one in a house to me, and you can't bring bed and living lifestyle to me. You know, hear me in a phone and walk and beg nobody. Come here, come here. Oh yeah, not so fast. So no move on the ears. A land dog me I talk to. Move. you can't bring house or nothing to me. Because if it's even a 1 bedroom, I have land dog. Me can't sleep in a 20 room. And all me see a show, me never one day see it, you run go upstairs. I must say one time I see you run go upstairs. And you never always show, never lucky if you show upstairs, it'll be a downstairs you show. Because probably up there the dopey them lock up. Where aunt you, we make your house haunted, landlord, make you behave so in a phone. You understand? You need to open up the door them upstairs and the window them make the dopey and the spirit them up there come out because your house haunted. That's why you're so miserable. Landlord, you can't come for me. Me know you're searching for content, but not come for me because me never disrespect you. And it reaches stage now where me I go disrespect you. Because when you go come and talk about panty shield, no, me couldn't be your panty shield. Because one panty shield can't help you. With all your deeds back then, where you come ball out in a phone and people know. Because right now, if you only know what I know. But if you continue, you're going to know, say me know something. Because you're going to come ball out some things. And you're going to know, say me know. Not saying most of these things, I know you're ball out already. Well, me might not hear because me in a phone because you love ball out your business. But me might go a little deeper with things where you know ball out. So I could see which part we are going to take this. Because me say, long and short, me not in this video because me not really come for the cuss. Me come for analyze and dissect people videos. You understand? Who me see, I try beat down people who are do good. Just like how me see them did a beat down one day about your rotten chicken and me come out for you. You never come and you never come in the comment section and say, okay, thank you, but you so quick you come in and you come and call me out of my bed 3:45. But what do when me come out at talk, when them talk about your rotten chicken and me come and defend you, you never come in the comment section. When them come at first and I talk about you shouldn't depend on the award show and me come and me defend you. Say the woman personal personality is her personal personality away from the humanitarian she is. And it's humanitarian award she getting, not personality award. You never come out and come in my comment section. You understand? And about 2 other times something happen and me come out and me speak my mind towards it and it fall in a your benefit. You never come out. But now, I post this video where I caption the video, I post the video, I put upon you, I put warning. You come out and say, me, what kind of warning? And if you look upon the thumbnail, Ashanti thump in your eye. You go say you look upon the gloves, you ram back Ashanti in your mouth. And I put the warning upon you. That means you warn Ashanti. And then I put upon Ashanti help. Because you want him now and him get the rotted, unexpected thump in his mouth, him ball help. You ever come say me, I tell you, say, like me, I warn you, or people, I warn you. This is how you stay. You turn things your way because why you literacy. No good. You need to make your admin them start counsel you. You need to go to your admin them before you come out on social media platform, come do certain things. Consult your admin them first, just like one man that consult him lawyer upon certain things first. You go back as far as say me say you're poison and you're a fucking liar. You're a bumbleclot liar. But this is what you do for build your content. In the video I said, I'm making a general speech despite you and Ashanti is the face of the video. I said most of these people in social media is like them a travel with a private poison bag. So as them reach you, them just take it off and juke it and poison you. I never say you are poison. My people who want to hold on all on we follow like Erica Landlord all the time. But that time for no wise up and say this woman you cause contention for nothing at all. You go listen to the video and listen which part tonight me say Erica poison. I said most of these people in a phone, them just like how you say, boy, people laugh with you and talk with you, but at the same time behind your back them. But me just fix it a different way and say enough of them travel with poison bag. And when them greet you and meet you and smile, them just choke it and you let out on the corner and them poison you. You come out and say me say you're poison. You tell a lie upon me. Be a lie you come tell me the video. But because your comprehension is weak, when people speak and spoke, you can't comprehend. to understand what people are say or what people are get at. Just as me say, somebody type in your comment and say, Erica, your head big. You don't read the rest of sentence. You just jump at the person. You understand? But Erica, me tell you again, when me don't know Portland, and when you sell catch at Portland, me sure no you never take off no G-string off of me. Because me never buy from you, and me wouldn't buy from you. Because who you is now is probably a better looking person now than back then. So me wouldn't look for you. You understand? And the part where you got to talk about Big Jill and Ray, I don't know what you mean. Because you see now that me come out come talk, no phone you come jump up and talk about mama man, because this is honesty. Woman to come and criticize people, tell man anything, a man most of the time so well, me and one of the man them. No boy never go in my room, and can't go in my room. You understand? Remember that. Cause if me them have nature for certain woman which me have none for you, me no see how me figure have nature for man. You understand? Me very picky when it come on to woman. And me no like see man. You understand? And the part where you got to talk about what? Panty shield. You don't want a panty shield. Me couldn't be a panty shield. Because panty shield can't help you. You understand? You need a sheet of zinc. So you see all of who figure more or less them not like how me come out come talk of 17 to 4 Erica called my phone this morning. Me and her no co-ops, me and her no friend, me and her no relationship. She just go up on my platform and she see a number me put up there and she call it. And all because the number called consecutively, constantly calling me about 3 times. My answer call me and say, well, probably somebody bigger call because the number not come up in on my phone. And I be a WhatsApp people know this a number. I mean I give out this a number. If me call you upon this a phone, you are private. And some me answer the phone. This woman you come tell me about the video. You couldn't wait till daylight out. I saw your heart and soul in a social media and then you come go on like the social media is not what pay on the bills right now. I give you if you give thanks to Father God. For back in the days when you not work on nobody, when you smart and have sense and build up somewhere and put up somewhere over on the head. Because now when you don't live on street side, if you need squander and splash out the money there. So just give thanks so you have the head piece upon your head to do that. Because right now a social media, a finance you know. Me you go part about picnic this and you picnic them, me them not go there so cause me say if you even come in and phone and probably say nothing about my picnic them, you don't know my picnic them. Me not go say nothing. Probably that's some of them say nothing more to you. Play the bigger person and just call it, say you win. You quits. You understand? Because you don't know nothing about me. Because you got to talk about baby pain and your money, you know, this and that. Like me, they tell you say you must defend your picnic them. In the same video, I say, if you come and you lash out and I defend your picnic and your mother and whatsoever, me not have no problem with that. Because me not in the picnic business and the family business. Me and you in a phone in a cascas and me and you in a cascas. Not my mother, my picnic, my dog, my puppy, nobody at all. Me always I say that. So when you come make it look like me, I tell you say no defend your picnic, because this you use, you know, to win the heart of your people, them, you know, like people I tell you say don't defend your picnic, them, you know. Nobody now tell you that, you know. And as I said, when in a phone before me, so on the whole saga, we have come from probably 2019, 2018, 2020, me don't know about that. Because no phone, me never did a follow on the back then. And 99 highlights someone with my follow on. You me did a browse and see you when time in a some argument with the tenant, one girl about money and rent and light bill and water rate. So me don't know the food don't have back then. So anything when I analyze and dissect and comment on and what me say at me right now. And you can't tell me what you say. When tell you come out up on your platform and you come say what you want to say and say what you feel and say what you think. And there is no way in this video me I pick no side. Me just talk it how me see it and how me feel. You don't come out and talk about the part of me and say yes, really and truly, despite I feel money by the Ganzi and thing, him shouldn't do that because it will look like it send a signal and ray. You make it look like me come a different Auntie Donna or a different Ashanti. Me not different no. Me have a platform where me supposed to carry my content and me do my thing to the best of my ability and me try to stay neutral. As me say, if me go find myself being corrupt a certain way, me prefer not come out come say nothing. Look how much things in a phone are going with Gracie. Look how much things are going with Maxine in a phone. And other people. And I stay away from it. The whole CMR issue, I stay away from it. Because I don't want to be corrupt. I don't want to be... You know, I don't want to come talk things when I don't have no proof or nothing about. So Landog, you do your video this morning, the amount of people that call me about it. People are whenever they inbox me, I say, boy, the first me inbox about me have to inbox your XYZ, ray. If a war you want, make it start. Because, let me tell you this, if somebody this not pop off, because me ready for the war. Remember that. It's just that me not feel like me forgive that. You know? For somebody who in a social media before me not supposed to give you that thing that because you search content and my sister this year do. So I don't really want even toe-to-toe with you. But if I have to toe-to-toe, one thing I know you can't win. Because at 9.5, yeah? Yeah. Look how the toe them pretty. You know how long them I do? For Christmas them do. If I do them over the Easter, no, I don't get a chance to do them back. Speak my mind, people. When I tell Landog, say don't try it. Because different somebody this. You understand? This is not Dashanti, this is not Maxine, and this is not the rest. So you see over the fence, where all the one wingless one, the when I love mix up, where this take place about call it 4:30. She did on her live this morning that a Landog. And by the time he wake up in the after 1, wingless have it already a plate, and she said she not love mix up. So you see, if them have forgot jump for joy, you know, say yes, Ray. Me sure no say me not affiliate to none of you. Me just say planka because what? Me see what 99 I do. And I will always say planka. And I will always be a planka. And as me tell you, me see 99 come out and do something what she not supposed to do, I go and come and I go and talk about it. Because you don't have to talk in a disrespectful manner. But if she not feel pleased to me talk about it, so be the case. So you see all of who follow Landog, we figure more or less that me shouldn't come out against Landog. I should tell her to call me 17 minutes to 4 this morning. So if you don't want to unsubscribe, that's no problem to me. This is not my daily living. You understand? If I go on my phone right now and show you, see Scotiabank app here. If I go in on my account right now, every dollar we may get from YouTube, whether I want 50 cents or 1 2 cents or 3 cents, and no, I don't touch a dollar out of that because I don't need to. And for the next 20, 30 years, I don't need to. As long as God have breath in my life, in my body, and I have life, see there? Okay, I'm going to see the figure, see there? Yeah. As long as breath in my body, and me I do what I do now, my investment now, where feed me, yeah, me not have to touch that. And like, oh no, we're day in, day out, you know, I beg. You beg 50 pounds of chicken to the serve for 3 weeks, and when in a 1 week, you come and beg 50 more. Like, you take people for idiot. You understand? And them things that you have to talk about. And stop having people for foolishness. Because the same way how you think about people, I saw you a think and I saw you deal. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. We're ready for the war. And let me tell you this. I'm not foreign me there. So you should do your research. You have to do research. Towile me live. Olympic Garden. Just stop side Cockburn Pen where Sophia Dunkley come from. I grew up in the 3 most volatile community in Kingston, Jamaica. Olympic Garden, West Kingston, right at Bond Street there, so to Pink Lane. Run up and down in a Tivoli Garden night and day. Downtown school me go. St. Annie's, Calabar. My first school I go there right at Pink Lane there, so. Right, I just can look from Cross Market and see first basic school, Miss Chin, basic school at Pink Lane. I go a south side, go live. You ever hear about south side and Tel Aviv? And my father come from Dunkirk area. We not afraid of people. Family and friend come from Rockfort, East Kingston. We not afraid of people. We not back from people. It's just that we not preach war. You understand? We not preach them something there. That's why we be who it is today. For me age, me never got jail yet. Traffic violation, and that's it. My record clean like police, like Jesus Christ one. So when you got talk about you in the street, or from 11 me in the street, save somebody for the next video if you come back at me because I'm ready. Because you're going to get a surprise of your life. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And the longest video this me doing, I should have live me doing now. Probably the next, and you should come back out probably as a live me do the next time. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm out.